Mind is not permanent. It disappears in deep sleep. Mind means only thoughts. Mind means only experiences. So, all thoughts are changing in your life. All feelings also changing in your life. So, where is the permanent peace to the mind? So, mind doesn't know the permanent peace. You have peace very naturally in deep sleep. Deep sleep, all thoughts, all experiences disappear. So, permanent peace is possible without mind. Mind disappear in deep sleep. You have the peace. That is your natural state. That stage is not coming by your effort or practice. So you are not the mind. For example, you have deep sleep. Mind and body disappear. So you are not the body, you are not the mind. You have the peace. Mind and body disappear, then you have the peace. So peace is not a mind. Peace never come by effort of your mind. Peace is your natural state. It is a permanent. Peace is permanent inside. But you don't know. All thoughts are overcame to your natural state of peace. You are the mind. You have the thoughts. All thoughts overcame to your natural state of peace. Peace is there. What is the problem? Problem only your mind. Your mind useful to your life, to think, to work, to live. Mind is needed. But to know your permanent peace, no need of your mind. Deep sleep, there is no mind and body. After detachment of body and mind, you have the peace naturally. You are the peace only. You are not the mind. After waking from deep sleep, thoughts rises from inside you. Those thoughts overcame to your natural state of deep sleep. So where is the obstacle? Peace has no thoughts. no changes of thoughts, no mind movements. It is not coming, it is not going. Mind is coming, mind is going. In deep sleep, no mind. After waking from deep sleep, your mind rises due to your body identification. So all thoughts mind to the body only. Without your body identification, no thoughts at all. So you are not the body. You have no peace. Why? You are the body. You have the body identification. I am the body. Body itself has no any energy to move, to talk. There is supreme power in the mind. So that supreme power of mind is working always in your body. So all thoughts are coming to the mind with the help of supreme power only. Without supreme power, there is no mind at all. For example, you see the dead body. He has all sense organs. He has the body, but no movement to the body, no any feelings to the body, because there is no energy to the body. There is something in your body. So you are living in this world. You are working all works with your mind. So you are the mind, you are the body. So throughout the life you are living in this world for the sake of body and mind only, not for the peace. Where is the peace in this world? Where is compassion in this world? Nothing. It is inside your mind, inside your body only. Your body is going always outside into the world. Your mind is going always outside into the world. So mind catching all the thoughts, feelings by the world only. So it has the attachment with the world, feelings and activities and things. What is that attachment? All thoughts are coming from the I thought. I means body. I means mind. There is no body and mind in deep sleep. Everything disappeared. So, mind is illusion. Body is illusion. Your life also is illusion. You have deep sleep. After deep sleep, I thought means body identification will rise first from deep sleep. Then you have the feeling of awakening. That awakening only by the I thought, by the ego only. After waking from deep sleep, first rising thought is only I. After I rises, all thoughts are rising from the I thought only. This I thought merged in deep sleep into the Supreme Power. So there is no I thought. So you have the peace and compassion in the deep sleep only. So I thought, you are not the I. I thought only to the body and mind. No thoughts to the permanent peace. If you have peace some seconds in your life, some seconds, all thoughts disappears. I thought also disappear. Only your natural state of peace will remain. Then you have the peace. Peace is not a mind, peace is not a thought. See in your experience, after all thoughts disappear, then you have the happiness and peace. There is no peace by the thoughts. Thoughts are illusion. It doesn't know the peace and compassion or happiness. It is illusion only. If you want permanent peace and compassion or happiness permanently, it is not possible by the world or any affairs, any activities in this world. With any thoughts, any experiences, it is not possible permanent peace. Why it is not possible permanent peace to you? It is you. You are that peace. You are that peace. How can it come by the outside the world? No. You see the sun. Sun is appearing very clearly. Some clouds overcame to the sun. You cannot see the sun. Do you say there is no sun? There is sun. But clouds overcame to the sun. So, after removing the clouds, you can see the sun. So, if you want peace, you remove your mind. If you want permanent peace and happiness, it is not your mind, it is your natural state. So, you are not the mind. You must remove the mind. After removing the mind, you never think about the peace and happiness. Only removing of your thoughts, that is your duty. How can you remove your mind? I thought. I means ego. I thought creates some millions of thoughts. I thought only creating of thoughts only. It doesn't know the happiness, peace. So, all thoughts should disappear. All persons of the world, everybody they think peace is possible by the mind. It is impossible by the mind. Peace doesn't know the mind. Peace is the supreme power. You are not the mind. Then who are you? You are not the mind. Mind disappears in deep sleep. So you are not the mind. Who are you? Find out inside. How can you find out with the mind? To search inside for the permanent peace, mind is need. So you have some millions of thoughts. How can you search the peace and happiness naturally which is in your mind? So remove your thoughts. Thoughts are created by the ego only, by the I thought. If you destroy the I thought, no rising of any other thoughts. Destroy of I thought is very, very important. All thoughts are rising from the I thought only. So you must destroy the I thought. Enough. How you destroy the I thought? You have some millions of thoughts. Each thought has the I thought. Each thought has the ego. Without ego, there is no thought. For example, I have difficulties. I have problems. I have no money. I have luxury life, and everything I have. So, each thought has the I. I means your body only. Body is innocent. It doesn't know anything. So, body and mind both are similar. If we have body, immediately there is a mind. If we have the mind, there is body. Without body, there is no mind. There is no mind without body. There is no body without mind. So both are similar. So, if you destroy the I thought, all thoughts disappears. Body disappears. Then you can have the experience of supreme power. That supreme power is the peace. That supreme power is happiness. That supreme power is the compassion. Those are not to the mind. They never come by the mind. It is your natural state. So all self-realized persons in the world, they destroyed their ego of I thought. So those are saints and gurus. Why? They destroyed I thought ego. So self-realization means they have no I thought, body and mind. Everything disappears. Then only supreme power remains. That is permanent peace. That is permanent happiness and compassion. So, every person in the world, they don't know the permanent peace and happiness. Why? They have only some seconds happiness, not permanent. Some seconds, if your desired success, immediately the mind disappears. At that moment you have the peace and happiness, not by the mind. Mind disappears. Then body disappears. Then you have the peace and happiness. Immediately again all thoughts will overcome. Then you have no peace. Peace and happiness not possible with your effort. Try. You have some seconds happiness and peace. Okay, that is your experience. Now, try to be happy and peace now. It is impossible to you. Why? It never comes with your mind. It is not depend upon your desires. That is very natural. When mind disappears, naturally the happiness and peace is there. No death to the supreme power, no death to the happiness and permanent peace. Only death to the body and mind only. Not to the happiness and peace. You are not the body, you are not the mind. So, all temporary happiness and peace to the mind only. Your natural state is not a mind and body. No death, no birth to your natural state. But everybody, they have the desire of happiness and peace. That is only to the mind. That is only mind. So many persons in the world, they have no peace and happiness. Why? Mind doesn't know it. You have some seconds happiness. At that moment, mind disappeared. How to destroy the I thought of ego? Mind itself cannot destroy the mind. Ego itself not possible to destroy itself of ego. You are the ego. You are the I thought. How it is possible itself to kill it? So, something help is need. Something support is need to destroy your ego. What is that helper? That helper is only Supreme Power. That Supreme Power is not outside in the world. So mind is important for self-realization. Without mind, not possible for self-realization. What is the purpose of the mind? By inquiry of, to search inside. Body is need and mind is need. Body and mind is need to the permanent peace only. But you are using that body and mind to live in this world by the help of the world. So you have the outside sight, worldly affairs, not Supreme Power. So, if we want to destroy the ego of false I, calmness is need. Calmness is important. You have the calmness. watch your thoughts.